So today we're repairing a tractor sunroof that was damaged. Unbelievably, this replacement part costs. Let's see if we can get this one fixed and refitted. Now, this is it's a top of a Valtra or a Valmet. It's basically the sunroof, and you'll see this one got mangled into a bit of a mess. So the farmer asked me to make a new one, and I just don't have time, so I'm going to try and fix this one. We'll give it a go and see if we can fix it, straighten it. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to make a job of it, but we'll see. We'll give it a go. Now, I have a funny feeling that's as good as I'm going to get it with using my digger blade. We'll try something a little bit more persuasive maybe next. So my good neighbour has just landed back here. This is my next door neighbour. This is his little Valtra A95, tremendous little machine, and as you can see, this is
complete with what do you call it?
Full aircon.
Full air.
Full permanent aircon.
Yeah.
Shouldn't be just as good as my little Massey 135. But you're not far off it. Now, so have to get up here and try and get this lid back up on it and see what's going on up here. Oh yeah, you have full ventilation up here now. Now.
Round, isn't it?
Oh, here's this, yeah.
Come on. What is it on you? Go back to it.
Now, job done. How is she looking? How is she looking from the inside?
She's looking sexy, you can't see daylight.
Vastly improved.
Big improvement.
Oh man, yeah. Not bad. Not bad. And unbelievably here. Light might be great, but it's actually latching. Hard to believe. It is actually latching. Yeah, unbelievable. How are you looking there?
Sexy stuff. Oh man.
Unbelievable stuff.
Ah yeah, nice.
Now,
It was the added extras that caused the problem.
there we go, fully functioning sunroof. Would you say she's as she was?
Oh, she's better. Oh man, yeah. Like. Oh yeah.
Another satisfied customer.
Another satisfied customer.
Lovely. Now, that's another happy customer there. That's my neighbour, Fergal. He's been asking me to fix that for, I would say almost 12 months. Yeah, he was away on holidays last year and somebody was doing the feeding from or something around the farm and they drove into a low shed and peeled the sunroof back. That's what happened. So that was around holiday time last year and we're almost here again. So anyway, he's happy to have that done. Anyway, that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.